Can't mention the history of the Steelers without talking defense, and that's been the cornerstone of their team. The last 3 seasons, they've been outside of the top 10 in defense, which is not good.
The strength, though, of Pittsburgh, whenever you mention Pittsburgh, you always say, regardless of either when I played or you played, you still say defense.
Look at the defensive departures in the Steel City. Some big-time losses with Dick LeBeau, Troy Polamalu, and Jason Worlds. But fear not, Steeler fans, some young guns are looking to step out of the shadows in 2015.
Steeler Nation has been waiting to hear who is going to be replacing defensive coordinator Dick LeBeau.
All signs point to longtime linebackers coach Keith Butler stepping in to Dick LeBeau's role as defensive coordinator.
The Pittsburgh Steelers select Ryan Shazier, linebacker, Ohio State.
The Pittsburgh Steelers select Stephon Tuitt, Notre Dame defensive end.
Bud Dupree, linebacker, Kentucky Burns, defensive back, Miami.
Javon Hargrave, defensive tackle, South Carolina State.
A defensive back from Maryland by the name of Sean Davis.
How about the big man, James Harrison, who shoulder presses on a long bar, 135 pounds. He's coming back, man.
Ryan Shazier will be part of it.
Well, he might be the fastest player on that defense.
I want to try to impose my will on people.
Touchdown, William Gay! What do you think the Steelers need to work on the most as 2016 approaches?
Well, I'll go back to the old when Rod Woodson and when you start talking about the Steelers and you talk about Dick LeBeau. Remember the Steelers used to be what Seattle is now? Yeah. Kind of, where it's like you didn't score, you didn't run on them, you didn't throw on them, you didn't do anything on them. It's about, they were giving up 11.5 points a game, 12.2 points a game. That's what I want to see the Steelers get back to.
Pittsburgh just doesn't play good defense. So they got to fix their defense. That whole organization's always been predicated upon defense and being sound. They don't take the ball away. They're giving up too many big plays right now.
What Pittsburgh has going on right now is inconsistency.
They need to be better than they were in 2015. Their front seven is ready to win right now. That back end's really got to come along.
Let's stand up right here.
Getting down by any means necessary.
Shazier lays out Bernard, and Shazier comes up with the football.
We can stay here with the shit kicked out of us, or we can fight our way back into the light. We can climb out of hell, 1 inch at a time. On this team, we fight for that inch. On this team, we tear ourselves and everyone else around us to pieces for that inch. We claw with our fingernails for that inch. Because we know when we add up all those inches, that's gonna make the difference between winning and losing. Between living and dying. The 6 inches in front of your face. Any fight, it's the guy who's willing to die who's gonna win that inch.
We're down the neck. You understand? Hoorah! We rock! Hoorah! We rock! Hoorah! We rock! Let's ride on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's rock!
He's going to be hit. That's sacked. Steelers coming with pressure. Keith Butler is bringing the house.
And it looks like Harrison with the sack, which would be an all-time Steeler record.
And I know if I'm gonna have any life in it, it's because I'm still willing to fight and die for that inch.